My patient by the name of Taylor Swift just came into the emergency room for angina. The Doctor Who has prescribed 1 NitroTab SLs for now, and also a 1-inch nitro paste for now. I'm going to go talk to my patient quickly, make sure that's okay with her, and then grab that medication. Hi Taylor, how are you doing? Pull the curtain, sanitize my hands. Good, so I heard that you're having some chest pain. Yeah, okay. So the doctor has prescribed you a NitroTab and also a nitro paste to help with that chest pain, okay? Can you verify your name and date of birth for me? Okay, and what would you rate your chest pain right now? Okay. Do you have you're rating it a 3? Okay. Are you have any allergies? Penicillin? Okay, I'm gonna go grab that medication for you, and then we'll hopefully subside that chest pain, okay? Just to let you know that some of the side effects can include headache, dizziness, weakness, nausea, and vomiting. Alright? So let me go grab that medication, I'll be right back. Gonna go into my Pyxis. I'm going to grab the nitro. I'm gonna put on some gloves. Just sanitize my hands one more time. The gloves on. Okay, so I'm going to grab the nitro tabs. I have the paste. I'm going to take it all in there with me because I'm going to have to scan everything. Alright, Miss Taylor, how are you doing? Alright, we're going to take care of that chest pain for you. Going to put 1 tab in here. Can you verify your name and date of birth? Okay, I've opened up the computer, scanned her wristband, scanned the medication. Alright, here you go. Just put this right back in your mouth because this can deteriorate and absorb into your skin. So just throw that right in there, okay? Alright, here you go. Alright, I'm going to put the paste on here. I'm going to write my name. I'm going to initial the date, which is 0903. And I'm going to put time for 1300. Put that on. Put it right over here. Alright, so this will stay on for 12 hours and off for 12 hours. And I'm going to stay with you for the next 5 minutes to make sure that medication, the work starts kicking in for you, okay? Just take off my gloves. Sanitize my hands again. Alright, so I did document that I gave her both that. Alright, how's your pain now? Good? Is it gone? Okay, good. So if you do start experiencing that again, please don't hesitate to call. I will be checking on you in about 15-20 minutes just to make sure that you're still not experiencing any more chest pain, okay? Alright, take care, Miss Taylor. My patient was just, by the name of Dixie McCall, was just recently diagnosed with hyperlipidemia. Doctor Who has prescribed Lipitor 10 milligrams PO daily for now and for today, and she has no known allergies. I am going to go discuss with the patient to make sure she's okay with me giving this medication, and then we'll go from there. I'm going to pull the curtain for privacy. Hi, Miss Dixie. How you doing, hon? Okay, so you did come in here today with your doctor who prescribed you with hyperlipidemia, which is meaning that your cholesterol is a little high after they did that lab draw on you, they saw that your LDL and your triglyceride levels were a little high. So he did prescribe just a medication, 10 milligrams, just to bring that down, okay? Can you verify your name and date of birth for me? Okay, good. Any known allergies? No? Okay. Do you have any difficulties swallowing? No? Okay, I'm just going to help you position you better. Well, can you take a sip of water for me, please? Okay. Do you have any questions? So your LDL level was 160, and we kind of like it underneath 100. And then your triglyceride levels was 200 milligrams, and we like it under 100. So this medication is going to help bring that back down. Is that okay with you? Okay, good. And then some of the side effects could include a headache, weakness, confusion. So just be careful if that first couple times you're getting up, since this is a new medication for you, okay? All right, let me go grab that and I'll be right back. Here's your Colate and your water. I'm going to go to the Pyxis. I'm going to grab that medication. I have Lipitor, 10 milligrams PO daily. Expiration is 05/20/45. So we're good on that. I'm going to go back in and get this medication. Hi, Dixie. We're going to back with that medication we talked about, that Lipitor. Just going to log into the computer. Sanitize my hands. All right, so one more time. Can you verify your name and date of birth for me? Okay. I'm going to scan the wristband, scan this. I am going to give you 10 milligrams of Lipitor, okay? It's going to help with your hyperlipidemia. All right. Okay, I'm going to document that I gave that. Did that go down okay, Miss Dixie? Okay, good. So the lab is going to come and draw your blood again in a couple hours just to see how that medication's working for you. Like I said, the first couple times you try and get up, please call and we'll help you, okay? All right, here's your Colate and your water. I'll be back to check on you in a little bit. Do you need anything in the meantime? No? Okay. All right. Thank you.